Hi, good morning and welcome back to APTeck tutorial. This morning I'm just going to show you something that's happening in Windows 10. Some of my client calls me and say, "Hey, I just all of a sudden my PDF files are open with a browser. I don't want that. I have Adobe Reader or Adobe Acrobat installed on my computer, and I want to use the tools that come with those applications and for all of a sudden, my PDF files are opening with the browser, with Edge, which comes with Windows 10. I'm going to show you quickly how to change that. It's very easy. I'm just gonna illustrate it here with this little file that I have here, PDF file. All you need to do is right click on it. Just go to Property, and then click on this button here. So click on change, and then you will need to look for the application that you want the PDF to open. If you don't see it listed here, you go down. Or if you don't see it here, you can also look and browse through your computer and find it. But in my particular case, it's sitting here. So I'm going to select Adobe Acrobat, which is the PDF handler that I'm using. Click OK, and then click OK, and then click on Apply. Click on OK, and that's about it. You see the icon change. Just going to show you here. The icon change quickly into a PDF format. So when I click on it now, as you can see, it's opening with Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so this is it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have yourself a great day.